Welcome to Chef John Cooks Biscuits. This video will be part of a multi-video series I am doing on various biscuit methods. I am starting with one of my favorite recipes. The first step is to lightly grease your biscuit pan. I like to use an iron skillet. This recipe calls for 3 simple ingredients: 2 cups self-rising flour, 1 cup whole milk, and 1/2 cup vegetable shortening. This recipe uses a very easy mixing method to make an incredible, flaky, fluffy biscuit you're going to love. As you can see, I just use my fingertips to press the flour gently into the shortening. With biscuits, you do not want to use a spoon or anything else to stir or knead the dough. We do not want to form gluten strands like you would when making bread or pizza doughs. You want to be very gentle the entire time. Now that we have a slightly sticky, shaggy biscuit dough, it is time to create some layers. Lightly flour our work surface and the top of the dough, and then gently press the dough out. We're going to first do one single fold to bring the dough into a rough rectangle. I then perform 2 letter folds by folding the dough into thirds, trying to preserve a rectangle shape after pressing out to keep the layers even. Finally, pressing the dough to about 3/4 inch to 1 inch tall. Using a biscuit cutter, ring cutter, or thin-rimmed glass out of the cupboard as a last resort, cut the biscuits, remembering to never twist the cutter, as the twisting motion can cause the outside layers of the biscuit to stick to each other and lessen the rise, and this can make for a denser final biscuit. Our final step before baking is to dollop the tops with butter. I then bake them in an oven at 450 degrees on the middle rack for 9 to 12 minutes or until golden brown on top. The bottom should brown first. Look at these fluffy layers. I can't get over it. Remember to always cook with love and follow for more.